Today, one wishes to invite you to Neil and Ollie's bonfire party. We understand that you have not been invited for the past few years, but they are choosing to be the bigger persons and forgive you, despite my advice. The extravaganza will be held Saturday, the 8th of November, and the road closes at 6 p.m. Cammy and I are attending again. But don't worry, the Oompa Loompa on my right is not invited.